Namaskar, I'm Dhwani Jain, founder of Karma Foundation and the state president of UP Soft Skills and Mentoring Council at the Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I'm so happy to be speaking with all of you today on the occasion of the Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is a day to celebrate life, to embrace humanity. It is a day to ensure the protection of equal rights for every individual, irrespective of their socio-economic status, religious dogmas, or political ideologies. It is a day to resolve to build an inclusive and participatory society. And with this vision in mind, we at Karma and Wiki started this Generation Equality campaign to give strength to the United Nations initiative for the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. Gender-based violence. It is one of the most pervasive forms of violence prevalent all across the globe. It is indeed a sorry state that even in the 21st century, almost half of our population do not enjoy freedom. Yes, freedom from the fear of being abused. Rape, molestation, eve-teasing, acid attacks, so on and so forth. This list is endless. I feel it is high time that we collectively as a society raise our voice against all forms of discrimination and violence against women. We must take action, we must make a change through our actions, through our karma, to bring about a positive change in the society. And I'm glad that people from all walks of life joined this Generation Equality campaign with us. From students to professionals, from CEOs to some of the most eminent social workers, men, women, young and old. People from across the globe. So let me take you through the journey of 16 days, how we celebrated the 16 days of activism.
Congratulate the Wiki Mentoring and Soft Skills Council in Uttar Pradesh led by our dear soul sister Dhwani.
I'm glad to be part of this program and I'm very thankful to Ms. Dhwani Jain.
नारी है अपराजिकता, अद्भुत प्रतिभा का नाम ही नारी है. नारी के हर रूप में सृष्टि है. नारी के हर रूप में सृष्टि है. धन्यवाद.
Namaskar. I'm Professor Jagdish Khatri calling from Chandigarh. I congratulate Karma Foundation for their movement on gender equality.
I am Nilanjana Chaudhary and today I am going to discuss about a burning topic, that is gender-based violence.
Hi, I'm Sheba Malhotra. I'm the founder of the Indian Queen. Today I'm talking about the gender equality.
Because the prosperity of the nation begins from the stability of the home. So let's say no to the domestic violence and let's pledge to eradicate it by choice.
So basically we have to know our rights and in the end I would like to give a message. Know yourself, protect yourself. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Manu. I'm professionally a mechanical engineer. I'm today here to talk about gender-based violence and gender-based...
Hello, I am Geetika Tiwari. Today I'll be speaking on gender-based violence. Love has no gender.
Namaskar, I'm Dr. Chiratni Khatria, President of Women's Security Force, the state of Odisha. I appreciate under the umbrella of the Generation Equality, the campaign, a platform for action and Union Secretary General United by 2030 to end the violence against.
Hi, my name is Aditi Tyagi and in the light of UN's campaign called 16 Days of Activism Against Gender-Based Violence.
If it's happening to a woman around me, if it's happening to women around me, then it is my business. Being a human, if somebody's human rights are getting violated, then it is my business. Being a part of the society, if I see that the society around me is crumbling with patriarchal ideas, then it is my business.
Gender-based violence undermines the health, security, dignity and autonomy of its victims and yet remains shrouded in the culture of silence.
Sarabhi Sinha, I'm going to speak a few lines on Generation Equality. Generation Equality stands to celebrate women's rights activism, feminist solidarity and youth leadership to some.
Together, we can make a difference. Let's empower. Let's respond to calls for help. Orange the world.
It's high time to create an atmosphere of gender equality. We are not commodities. We are human.
Will be able to make this a world in which all genders are treated with equal respect and compassion.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अभयरंजन पटनायक एक मानवाधिकार कर्मी हूँ। आज वुमेन सेफ्टी के ऊपर में आपको कुछ कहना है।
I'm Dolly, and today I will share my views on the topic which we all know but we ignore it, and that is the gender-based violence.
All women to recognize your strength, stand for yourself, know your rights, fight for them, and raise your voice.
Friends, now the time has come to support each other, to stand for each other, to hold each other, to help women gain their own individual identity.
Tamasoe from Zambia. I am the founding ambassador for Power to Our Mothers Foundation Zambia chapter. I am a teacher by profession. I am also a gender advocate.
With the eyes of parity, energize the potential in everyone and guide all towards their purpose. Thank you all.
As you saw, people from different segments joined us in this generation equality campaign, and this testifies the importance of this issue. And on this Human Rights Day, I request each one of you to take a pledge with me to live in harmony with each other and to respect each other. Let us stop looking at every person through the prism of gender. Remember, every man, every woman is a human first, and they must be respected for what they are. Gender does not and it must not define a person. So, may I once again request each one of you out there who's listening to me today to join us in this initiative and to keep yourself updated about our future endeavors. Please follow us on our Facebook page, that is karma.myimpact, and also subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.